In this video, I want to address how to align things using Microsoft Office SharePoint Designer. In Word, we use right align, left align, we use tabs, we use indentation. We don't have a lot of those features available in SharePoint Designer. So I'm going to open up a couple pages here. I'll open up the home page, and I'll open up hours and location. And I'll open up the dynamic web template as well. So now going back to the, let's say, the home page, we've got the word welcome here. And of course, if I wanted welcome to be centered on the page, I can go centered, and that's centered on the page. And now when I'm trying to hit enter, it's telling me that I can't change it because it's locked. If this happens to you, don't panic. Just hit OK. Go to that dynamic web template, go in this area, and just hit enter once. And then hit save. And that should give you the room that you need to move around in your others. So now I'll go back to index here, and I should be able to hit enter, and now I'm in. And now if I want to take welcome and center it, I can do that. Make it bold, change the size, whatever. Thereafter, however, if you want pictures on one side or pictures on both sides and text in the middle, or any variation thereof, right? Text on one side, pictures on another, your best option in this program is to use tables. And if you do some copying and pasting from the internet, you'll realize that a lot of the alignment, a lot of what you see on the internet has been built and designed in tables. So drawing from your experience from Word and your use of tables, I would suggest you do that. Now, unlike Word 2007, SharePoint is very much like Word 2003 in the sense that you have a toolbar dedicated to tables, but you have to right click to get it. So if you right click up here and ask for tables, your table menu will come up, and all of your tools for tables is on that menu. I would call that up, and I would leave that up. Alright, so now when you want to insert a table, you can use this button here, which I like because this allows you to quickly and easily say I want 3 columns by, and if it's not, you're not getting enough rows, just click and drag, and this menu expands for you. So now I've got, let's say I have 11 rows by 3 columns. Okay, and a lot of the tools that we learned in Word are in here. All right, so you've got the ability to merge several cells. So if you wanted to merge these 3 cells, you can select the 3 cells and you can merge them. You can align things top, middle, bottom, and of course within the cell you can go left, center, right as well. I like this. These tools are very popular as well, to make all the columns the same width, which is probably what you're going to want at some point. Oftentimes when you insert something into one cell, the other cells will snap to a certain size that you may not want, and you'll want to change that. So in a cell, of course, you can insert clip art, you can insert several types of objects. So while I'm in a cell, I can go to Insert, Picture, From File. And now I know that I have got let's say the school logo in here. And I'll say Insert. And I'll say OK. And now it's coming in really, really big. So I'm probably going to want to edit this somehow. So I just double clicked on it, and I'm going to go to Appearance here. And rather than it being this big, I'll say that I want it 200. And then OK. So now it's much smaller. But as you see, my columns have changed dramatically. So every once in a while you'll have to select your columns and say, alright, I want you all to be the same width. And now they've adjusted. And then I could put text in here, or I could decide to take this and move it into the middle and then put text on this side and that side. Or, like I said before, you have many options. You could put the clip art on this side, and then if you wanted to, you could merge these 2 cells together and then type some information there. So when you're looking to align things in any way, start using tables. You can leave some blank rows as well. Rather than hitting enter inside of a row, you can use that. So lean on the tables feature a lot when you're designing and building your individual web pages.